everyone. Today will be a showcase, a news anchor, a former ISRO scientist, and a field reporter coming together to provide live coverage of the historic Chandrayaan 3 launch. Let's begin.
We have learned from our mistakes and we are better than ever. Get ready for an incredible space adventure with Chandrayaan 3 launch. India's groundbreaking leap into the cosmos. Hello everyone, today is a historical day for India as we witness the launch of Chandrayaan 3. I and Ginny, we will be bringing you all the updates on this incredible journey with Chandrayaan 3 launch. Let's welcome a former ISRO scientist to understand more about the mission. How excited are you, sir?
Thank you for having me. I'm slightly nervous and super excited as we revisit the moon after 4 years. Many countries try to do soft landing on the moon, but some of them do successfully landing on the moon and many of them do fail landing on the moon.
That's right, we're all thrilled. Particularly, children are really excited. They want to know what is soft landing on the moon means.
Soft landing on the moon means safely putting spaceship on the moon without breaking it.
That's right. Chandrayaan 2 in 2019 also aimed to do something similar. Why is it so difficult to soft land on the moon?
It is difficult because there is no air like Earth and there is no friction to slow down the spaceship and there is no GPS on the moon. If we get lost from spaceship, so we can't reconnect with it.
Very insightful. Thank you, Mr. Gopal. It's time to contact with a field reporter who is near the launch site and talking to people there. Let's contact with Miss Reporter.
The excitement is overwhelming. India is brimming with pride as we are all about to launch Chandrayaan 3 into space in nearly 5 minutes from now. Let's talk to a few people. How are you feeling, sir? Where have you come from?
I have come from Chennai and travelled for about 100 kilometers to witness this historic movement for our country. I have brought my entire family with me. My kids should be learned to celebrate the success of their country.
This is the impact of this mission on the people, and in the next few moments we are about to launch Chandrayaan 3 into space. Let the countdown begin. You can also join me for the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I can feel my heart pounding, mirroring heartbeat of the entire country. I am Isha, live view gallery from Sri Harikota.
Thank you, Isha. As Chandrayaan 3 travels in space, we will be here to bring you real-time coverage of its progress. On 23rd August, our team of experts will provide you all the latest insights and developments. So, mark your calendar and I will see you on tomorrow's Primetime News.
Thank you.